Aloha! This is Chef Brian from Foodland, and in this video, we will be making Tropical Holiday Mendiants. Mendiants are essentially bite-sized chocolate candies that are topped with dried fruits, nuts, and seeds. They are perfect for sharing with your loved ones, friends, and family. While this treat is commonly made using couverture chocolate, which is a high-quality chocolate that is difficult to obtain, today I'm going to be demonstrating a much easier way by using a bag of chocolate chips that most people would have in their pantry. To make this recipe, the ingredients you'll need are 1.5 cups of chocolate chips. I do want to note that since we're using chocolate chips, which are normally meant for baking, the finished product will always need to be stored in a cool area. You'll also need vegetable oil or any kind of neutral oil like grapeseed, canola, or peanut oil. Also, a 1/4 cup of dried cranberries, 2 tablespoons of dried mango, 3 tablespoons of crystallized ginger, 1 tablespoon of dried apricots, 1/3 cup of pistachios, and Maldon salt or any thick, flaky salt. 2 tablespoons of dried pineapple. You'll also need 12 to 15 cupcake liners that are 2.5 inches in diameter. First, we're going to prep all our toppings for our mendiants. Using a sharp pair of kitchen scissors, we'll start by cutting the large pieces of dried fruit into 1/4 inch pieces. Then we'll mix the nuts and fruit together and set aside. To melt our chocolate, we're going to pour the chocolate chips into a microwave-safe bowl. Then we'll place our bowl into the microwave and heat it in 30-second increments, being sure to stir in between until the chocolate is fully melted. You could also melt the chocolate in a bowl over a double boiler. Next, we're going to add a drop of oil into the melted chocolate and mix together. Be sure to add in a couple drops at a time until you reach the correct consistency. The final consistency of the chocolate should resemble thick honey. Check it by simply lifting your spatula up like this. You can always add another drop of oil if needed. The consistency of our chocolate is looking great, so we'll place about 2 spoonfuls of melted chocolate into each cup. Then we'll sprinkle the fruits and nuts on top. When it comes to the toppings, there are so many different flavor combinations. If you love coffee, you could do crushed coffee beans, cacao nibs, and coconut flakes. The possibilities are endless. Just make sure you are using dried ingredients. Lastly, finish each chocolate disc with a very small pinch of salt. Adding high-quality sea salt adds a nice balance to desserts that are rich and sweet. Allow the mendiants to cool in the refrigerator for about 5 to 10 minutes, or set aside in a cool room. They will need to be firm to touch. Here we have our Tropical Holiday Mendiants, a perfect gift for your friends, family, coworkers, and so on. Just make sure you keep them chill. If you have any questions about this recipe or cooking in general, send us an email at chefs@foodland.com. You can find ingredients to make this dish at your neighborhood Foodland, and to get this recipe, visit us at foodland.com.